After years of anticipation, Pi Network is finally making its official debut. But what does this mean for early miners, investors, and the crypto world? Let's dive into the journey, the strategy, and what you can expect when Pi hits the market. If you've been following the crypto space over the last few years, you've probably heard of Pi Network. It's been a long road, filled with hype, skepticism, and a lot of tapping on phones. But now, the wait is over. Pi Network is officially launching, and it's time to unpack everything you need to know. From its humble beginnings to its upcoming exchange listings, we'll explore the journey, the potential rewards, and the strategies that could make or break your Pi experience. Whether you're a long-time miner or just curious about this project, this is the ultimate guide to Pi Network's launch. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. Pi Network has announced its official launch date, and exchanges like OKX are already gearing up to list the token. According to the latest updates, Pi will go live on February 20th at 8 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. This is huge news for the crypto community, especially for those who've been mining Pi for years. But here's the kicker. Pi Network isn't just launching on one exchange. Rumors are swirling that major platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and others could also list Pi. While these rumors aren't confirmed yet, the buzz is undeniable. If even half of these listings happen, Pi could see a massive surge in demand right out of the gate. Now, let's tackle the big question on everyone's mind. Who's going to make the most money from Pi Network? The answer isn't straightforward, but it boils down to two main groups of people: the early miners and the buyers. Each group has its own risks and rewards, and understanding these can help you decide where you fit in, or if you want to get involved at all. If you're one of the early miners who've been tapping your phone daily for years, you're sitting on a potential goldmine. Early miners with thousands of Pi coins could see significant returns if Pi launches at a decent price. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you've mined 1,000 Pi coins over 4 years. That's a lot of tapping, but here's where it gets exciting. If Pi launches and the price hits 10 per coin, your 1,000 Pi would be worth 10,000. That's a life-changing amount of money for something as simple as tapping your phone once a day. But here's the catch. Not all miners will see these kinds of returns. Many early miners have already sold their Pi coins for much less, sometimes for as little as 0.25 per coin. If you sold 1,000 Pi for 250, and then watched the price soar to 10, you'd be kicking yourself for missing out on 10,000. The lesson here? Patience pays off. If you're an early miner, holding onto your Pi until after the launch could lead to massive rewards. But if you've already sold, don't stress. Crypto is full of opportunities, and Pi is just one of them. So, if you're still holding your Pi, keep holding. The launch is just around the corner, and your patience might just pay off in a big way. The potential upside. Imagine someone buys 1,000 Pi coins from a miner for 250, that's just 0.25 per Pi. If Pi launches and the price surges to 10, that 250 investment suddenly becomes $10,000. That's a massive 40x return on investment. For those who took the risk, this could be a life-changing moment. It's the kind of payoff that makes crypto so exciting and unpredictable. The risk. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Pi's price could also crash. If Pi launches at just 0.10, that 250 investment would only be worth $100, a 60% loss. And in the worst-case scenario, if Pi fails to gain traction or the project doesn't deliver on its promises, those coins could end up being completely worthless. This is the harsh reality of high-risk investments in the crypto world. The lesson. Buying Pi coins before the launch is undeniably a high-risk, high-reward strategy. If you're considering this route, it's crucial to only invest money you can afford to lose. Crypto markets are volatile, and while the potential for huge gains is real, so is the possibility of losing your entire investment. Timing is everything in this space. Getting in at the right moment can make all the difference. In summary, while buying Pi coins at low prices could lead to massive profits, it's not without its risks. If you're thinking about diving in, do your research, understand the market dynamics, and always approach with caution. Crypto is a game of strategy, patience, and sometimes, a bit of luck. Whether you're a miner or a buyer, the key to success with Pi Network lies in timing and strategy. Here's what you need to keep in mind to navigate this exciting yet unpredictable journey. For miners, if you've been mining Pi for years, patience is your greatest ally. The launch is just around the corner, and holding onto your coins could lead to life-changing returns. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your years of tapping pay off in a big way. However, if you've already sold your Pi, don't stress. Crypto is a vast and ever-evolving space, and Pi is just one of many opportunities. Learn from the experience and apply those lessons to future investments. For buyers, if you're considering buying Pi coins, tread carefully. Do your research, understand the risks, and only invest money you can afford to lose. While the potential for massive gains is tempting, remember that the early bird doesn't always get the worm. Sometimes, waiting for the right moment, like after the initial launch hype settles, can be the smarter move. Timing is everything in crypto, and a well-thought-out strategy can make all the difference between success and disappointment. In the end, whether you're holding onto mined Pi or looking to buy, the bigger picture is about making informed decisions, managing risks, and staying patient. Pi Network's launch is just the beginning, and how you approach it could shape your crypto journey for years to come. If you're not a miner or a buyer, you might be wondering if it's too late to get involved. The good news is, it's not. Once Pi launches on exchanges, anyone can buy or trade it. But here's the catch. The price could be much higher by then. If you believe in Pi's potential, getting in early, before the price spikes, could still be a smart move. So, where do you fit in? Are you an early miner holding onto your Pi? A buyer taking a calculated risk? Or someone watching from the sidelines, waiting for the right moment to jump in? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, no matter what happens with Pi Network, the crypto world is full of opportunities. Stay informed, stay patient, and always do your research. Pi Network has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride, filled with anticipation, skepticism, and endless tapping. Its upcoming launch is one of the most highly anticipated events in the crypto world this year, and for good reason. For early miners, this could be a life-changing opportunity, a chance to see years of patience and effort pay off in a big way. Imagine turning those daily taps into thousands, or even tens of thousands, of dollars. It's the kind of story that fuels the crypto dream. For buyers, Pi Network represents a high-risk, high-reward gamble. Those who've been scooping up Pi coins at low prices are betting big on its success. If Pi's price skyrockets post-launch, these buyers could walk away with massive profits. But if the project falters, they could lose it all. It's a classic crypto scenario. The potential for huge gains comes hand in hand with the risk of crushing losses. And for the crypto world at large, Pi Network's launch is a litmus test. Can a community-driven project, built on the backs of millions of everyday users, truly succeed in a market dominated by institutional players and big-name coins? Pi's success, or failure, could set a precedent for future grassroots crypto projects. So, what do you think? Will Pi Network live up to the hype? Will it become the next big thing in crypto, or will it fade into obscurity? And most importantly, what's your price prediction for Pi on launch day? Will it hit 1, 10, or even higher? Or will it struggle to gain traction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your predictions and perspectives. And remember, whether you're a miner, a buyer, or just a curious observer, the crypto world is full of opportunities. Stay informed, stay patient, and always do your research. The Pi Network launch is just the beginning of what could be an exciting new chapter in crypto history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on Pi Network and other crypto projects. And if you're still mining Pi, keep tapping, your patience might just pay off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.